Hi, I'm Natacha with Fierce HR. You've heard this before. Companies make big announcements about transformation. It's always about DEI, culture shifts, operational agility, whatever the buzzword of the moment is. But let's be honest, employees aren't buying it unless they see actions to match. And when they don't, when there's no real follow-through, leaders lose trust, they lose credibility, and over time, they lose their people. So ask yourself, are you serious about change, or are you just saying what sounds good in the room? Here's what I've seen. 1, your employees see right through you. Let's not underestimate your team. They know when your words don't match your actions. They notice when you make bold commitments, but continue to prioritize the same old habits and systems. And when that happens, trust erodes fast. Now, here's the hard part. If you're not ready to fully commit to change, say so. Not just to yourself, but to your team. Honesty builds credibility. People don't expect perfection, but they do expect integrity. Pretending to lead transformation when you're not ready, that creates cynicism. And let me tell you, cynicism is much harder to fix than failure. 2, if you're uncomfortable right now, that's a signal. Feeling a little defensive hearing this? Good. That discomfort is where the work starts. Leadership isn't about staying comfortable. It's about stepping up when things get challenging. And one of the biggest challenges we face as leaders is admitting we're the barrier to progress. So if you're not ready for change, why not? What's holding you back? Fear of risk? Fear of failure? These are real concerns, but avoiding them won't solve them. Growth starts with self-awareness. It's uncomfortable, yes, but it's also necessary. And your team deserves a leader who's willing to get uncomfortable for the right reasons. 3, change requires more than just words. It requires risk. Here's the truth. Saying you want change without taking action isn't neutral. It's harmful. It drains your employees, it burns out your people team, and it creates a culture where no one takes leadership seriously anymore. That's the cost of inaction. Transformation isn't easy. It requires investment. It requires rethinking priorities and, honestly, letting go of some control. But the alternative? That's the slow erosion of trust, innovation, and engagement. You can't delegate this one. As the leader, the accountability starts with you. Your employees are waiting to see what you'll do next, and they'll follow your example, not only your words. Let's get real for a second. When you say you want change, do you truly mean it? Or is it just the right thing to say in meetings? Your employees already know the answer. They see the gaps between what's said and what's done. If you're not ready, that's okay. But own it. Be honest. Because leadership isn't about saying the right things. It's about doing the hard thing. And the hard thing might be admitting to yourself that you're not there yet. That's fine. What matters is what you do next. Are you ready to lead change? Or will you continue to stand in its way? So here's my challenge to you. Take a moment to reflect. Are you truly ready to lead your team through transformation? Are you prepared to align your actions with your words even when it's uncomfortable? Because here's the thing, your employees have already figured it out. The question is, will you? If you're ready to step into real leadership, it starts with self-awareness and accountability. That's how trust is built, how credibility is earned, and how transformation actually happens.